Good morning, dear student. We are reading Unit 2nd when Frankenstein was just a kid. Dear student, in first and second stanza, after reading this funny monster poem for kids written by K. Nesbitt, this poem will not just make them laugh, but will also serve as a great excuse to avoid eating the great vegetables. Dear student, in the first stanza, the narrator and poet takes us back to the time when Frankenstein was just a little kid and turns out the future monster whose name is now enough to scare the hell out of people was quite obedient during his childhood. Dear student, when he was a child, he never complained about the green vegetables out to him. In fact, he used to eat them all like a good kid. But be it the spinach, sloth, peas, or asparagus, little Frankens loved to devour them all. And in second stanza, he loved to choose chives, chard along with Brussels sprouts, pepper too. But things take a fateful turn when he ate those beans and turned completely green. Unfortunately, he said that way before river and now everyone fears him. And in third and fourth stanza, we are going to read. Stanza number 3. Poor Frankenstein, his tale is sad, but things need not have been so bad. It is fair to say, if only he had eaten much less calorie and avoided carbs at Nakali, while then we would have a different tale. Dear student, this is the third stanza and read it after me. Poor Frankenstein, his tale is sad, but things need not have been so bad. It is fair to say, if only he had eaten much less calorie, avoided carbs, no cal, when by then we will have a different tale. Dear student, in stanza number 3, the narrator or poet feels bad for little Frankenstein. Dear student, स्टेंजा नंबर 3 में कवि और वर्णनकर्ता छोटे फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन के लिए दुख बुरा महसूस करता है. Had he eaten less that celery, carbs or kale, he would have a completely different life. यदि वह उस कैलोरी, कार्ब्स और केले को कम खाया हुआ होता तो वह एक पूरी तरह से एक जीवन रख पाता. Thus the poet or narrator requests his parents to take away the vegetable from his plate or he might have the same fate. Dear student, इसलिए कवि और वर्णनकर्ता उसके माता पिता से निवेदन करते हैं, उसके माता पिता से उसकी प्लेट से सब्जियों को दूर करने के लिए निवेदन करते हैं. ही माइट हैव द सेम पेट, और अथवा वह उसी प्रकार का भाग्य रख सके. डियर स्टूडेंट, पुअर फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन हिज टेल इज सैड. कवि कहता है कि बेचारे फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन की अपनी कहानी बहुत ही दुखी है. बट थिंग्स नीड नॉट हैव बीन सो बैड, लेकिन वस्तुएं को और अधिक बुरा होने की आवश्यकता नहीं. इट इज़ फेयर टू से इफ़ ओनली ही हैड ईटन मच लेस सैलरी, और ये कहना उचित ही होता यदि वह उस सैलरी और कार्ब्स इटीसी, केले, कार्ब्स इटीसी आदि को वह कम खाया होता लेता. वाई व्हेन वी वुड हैव ए डिफरेंट टेल, तो हम कहने के लिए एक अलग ही कहानी रखते हैं. स्टेंजा नंबर 4, So mom and dad, I am here to say please take these vegetables away. Oh, my pet could be just a game. Yes, I could end up green like him. So mom and dad, before we dine, please give a thought to Frankenstein.